In this video, I will show you how to connect Hulu to your TV from your phone. So there's a few options. The first one is to use the cast feature, so Chromecast or Chromecast built into the TV. The requirements for this are the phone and TV must be on the same Wi-Fi network and your TV must support Google Cast. So the steps for this is first open the Hulu app on your phone, then start playing a show or movie and tap on the cast icon in the top right corner, then select your TV from the list of devices and the video will then start playing on your TV. Option 2 is to use AirPlay. So this is for Apple devices to an Apple TV or another AirPlay compatible TV. The requirements are using an iPhone or iPad and TV with AirPlay 2 support. So both devices must also be on the same Wi-Fi network. So the steps for this are open the Hulu app on your iPhone or iPad, start playing a video, tap the AirPlay icon or use the control center in screen mirroring and choose your TV from the list and the content will mirror or stream to your TV. Then the third option is screen mirroring for TVs without cast or AirPlay. So on Android, you can use Smart View, Mirrorcast or Screencast from your phone's quick settings. Then select your TV. It must support Mirrorcast or screen mirroring. Then on iPhone to compatible TVs, you can use screen mirroring via Control Center. This requires AirPlay compatible TVs as well. And the last option is to use a streaming device. If your TV doesn't support casting or AirPlay, you need to plug in a Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV or Chromecast. Then set it up and install Hulu on that device and then cast from your phone as in option 1 or 2. So now you know how to connect Hulu to your TV from your phone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.